Okay, 9.2 notes, tests about population proportion. So we have to, of course, test the conditions R and I. So don't forget to do that. But if that's the case, the do part goes like this, so that you have the formula. You first compute the test statistic. Compute test statistic, and this formula is given in the formula card. It's the whatever the statistic is, whether it's proportion or mean, so we won't have to write it again, minus the parameter stated in the null hypothesis, statistic minus parameter over standard deviation of statistic, standard deviation of statistic, whether it's proportion or mean. So we won't write it again, because that's what you do no matter what. Statistic. Okay. Compute your test statistic. So in this specific case for this section, the formula is Z equals P hat sample proportion minus P naught over the square root of P naught times 1 minus P naught over N. That's the formula that we used for Z. This is the that's the sample statistic. This is the probability stated. P naught is the probability proportion is what I want to say. Proportion stated in H naught. That's P naught. And then you take your test statistic, and step 2 is you find your p-value. These will be good for you to have for later, even if it makes sense now when you're reviewing for the test. Find p-value by calculating the probability of getting that Z statistic, this large or larger, in the direction, it doesn't mean it can't be less than, but it's in whatever direction specified by H sub A, what you want to prove. So I think that if you look at it in context of the examples we just did, so let's say H sub A is, you're trying to prove P is greater than P naught, then what you're looking for is, picture-wise, you're looking for this area or probability. If H sub A is probability less than P naught, then you're looking for this scenario, Z, you're looking for that area. And if it's a two-sided test, so H sub A is not equal to P not equal to P naught, then you're looking for this, which is why you double it. You're looking for that or that. So this is and Z, absolute value of Z, negative Z, and you're looking for that.